droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching detention block 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route.
AT-AT.
Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on level T. There they are! Fire!
Escape pods just below us. Take the list down. We'll cover you. Hurry! Send down!
Yeah.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
There you go.
Attention! All resistance personnel! Abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This is orders about...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear!
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Yeah, brilliant.